Hello friends, in this session let us see some numericals on Bode plot. Let us begin. If you see now, the Bode magnitude plot of a minimal phase system unity feedback has been given. Okay, and at the same time they have said that with all real poles and zeros, means all the poles and zeros are real, right? Okay, now see dear, this is the plot, right? Omega, and this is gain, definitely. Now see, do you know that I had told you one note that minus 6 dB per octave is same as what? Minus 20 dB per decade, right? Which means, can I say that this minus 6 dB per octave is nothing but minus 20 dB per decade? And similarly, this minus 12 dB per octave is nothing but minus 40 dB per decade? Yes, it is same. It is same, right? So now, let us try to find a transfer function out of this plot. Let us try to find a transfer function. Definitely we know the transfer function is nothing but equal to gh. Okay, so if you check out now here, what is happening? Initially the slope is what? Minus 40 dB per decade. Initially this slope, right? Minus 40 dB per decade, this slope, complete slope, till 4. Which means what? Which means what? Definitely there should be two poles at origin, because whenever you have two poles at origin, you have minus 40 dB per decade slope at start, right? So definitely there has to be two poles at origin. So let me have that as square. Now what next? What next? If you see, you have got what? At 4 you have got this minus 40 dB per decade got changed to minus 20 dB per decade. Means what? 20 dB slope was added at 4, which means at 4 you have 0 or pole. Definitely you will be having 0 at 4, so it becomes s plus 4 here. Is that correct? Because see, initially the slope was how much? Minus 40 dB per decade. But at 4, the slope changed to minus 20 dB per decade. It means that definitely at 4, plus 20 dB per decade slope has been added. Which means that at 4, you are going to have a 0. Is that right? Yes, you have got that 0. Now, next. What happened at 10? What happened at 10? This 20 dB per decade slope which was there, it got changed to minus 40 dB per decade. Right? Which means what? Which means what? Minus 20 dB per decade slope was added. Which means definitely at 10 you had a pole. So it becomes s plus 10. And since the initial starting point has not been given, we have to write k, because we don't know the starting point value. If for example this starting point was given, then it was easy to find out k, because you know that the starting point is nothing but 20 log of k upon s squared. Very simple, right? Yes. So if you check out, this becomes your gh. Now what am I interested in? I want to find what? I want to find, let me write down what you are supposed to find now. You are supposed to find ka. What is ka, sir? If you remember, in our time domain analysis, this ka is nothing but what? Acceleration constant, right? Error constants, right? So if you think of k, what is k, sir? K is nothing but limit as s tends to 0, s squared gh, right? Which means it is equal to limit as s tends to 0. What is s squared? S squared is s squared. What is gh? Gh is this one. We have just now understood it, right? So it is nothing but k into s plus 4 upon s squared into s plus 10. This becomes k. So s squared gets cancelled. If I put k s equal to 0 here, s equal to 0 here, it becomes k into 4 by 10, which means k is nothing but 4k by 10. That's it. Problem solved. Easy problem, right? Yes. Now Second question. If I think of second question, very interesting second question. Yes, dear. So if you check out, they are asking me to find out omega 1. Omega 1 is here. Omega 1 has to be found out. If you see omega 1, this is it, right? So again, this slope is given. Yes, the slope is given. Then again, this point is given. Magnitude given. Yes, magnitude is given. What about magnitude at this point? This point magnitude is not given, which means I have to firstly find the magnitude at this point. Let me call it x. This point, right? Now, in order to find this x, which means I will have to find magnitude at this point. Magnitude at this point, which is y. How do I find that? So again, so if you just think of here, you have got this slope. Here you have got this 100. Now, what else will you do? What else can you do? Now, here comes the catch. Here comes the catch. You have got this slope. You know this frequency. You know this frequency. But you have this minus 20 dB per decade. But here is the catch. Is this one in decade? No, because if this has to be decade, no. So in place of 2, you must have had 10. But you don't have 10. Which means it is not a decade. But it is what? It is octave definitely. It is definitely octave. So can I write this same minus 20 dB per decade as minus 6 dB per octave? Yes, because they are same. The moment I write that, which means what will happen here, if the value is 100, then what will happen after one octave, which is nothing but this 2, at 2, what is going to happen? This 100 will become 100 minus 6, which is nothing but 94. So value of y is nothing but equal to 94. Getting my point? Because this is minus 6 dB per octave and this is 1 octave. Getting my point? Yes. So it is going to be 94. Is that correct? Yes. Now, after that, if you check out, what do you have next? What do you have next? If you see, this is x. You want to find x. So, let me just use this slope itself. So, it becomes minus 60, right? Minus 60 dB per decade, which is equal to what? Yes, definitely this point and this point are my thing, constant. So, at this point, if you see, I've got this 94, which means it is going to be 94. At this point, what do I have got? Magnitude. I've got x, so it is going to be 94 minus x, right? Divided by what? Divided by what? Definitely these two frequencies. Here it will be 2 and 60 because this is the point, right? So 2 and 60 are my frequencies. So definitely it is going to be 2 minus 60. Is it right? No. Why? Because it is a log scale. So I need to have log to the base 10, log to the base 10 for the 60. If you solve this, what do you get? You get value of x to be equal to 5.372. 5.372, which means this x is nothing but 5.372. Now, for this slope, if I want to think of, let me take another color, green, let us take. If I think of this slope, this is the starting point, this is the ending point. At starting point, what is the magnitude? 5.372. So then again, minus 20 dB per decade equal to 5.372 minus what? Minus what? What is the magnitude here for the second point? It is going to be 2.8. 2.8 divided by what? Frequency 60 minus omega 1. So it is 60 minus omega 1. Is it right? No. Why? Because it is log scale, which means log of to the base 10 minus log of omega 1 to the base 10. Is that correct? Yes. If you solve this, what do you get here? You get omega 1 to be equal to 80.684. 80.684, which means this omega 1 which you were trying to find is nothing but 80.684. I hope you have understood this problem. See, here there was only one observation. What was that? That this particular duration is not a decade but an octave. So you just had to convert this decade to octave. Rest is going to be easy stuff. We have already seen this stuff, right? Yes. Now the third question, if I think of, very simple question. Third question. So the possible transfer function of the system whose Bode plot is shown is, this is the Bode plot. Now, if you think what has happened here, let us see. What has happened here, let us see. First of all, whatever they have given is in octave. We don't want it in octave. Why? Because we are quite okay with decade. it becomes easy for us, right? So this minus 6 dB per octave can be said as minus 20 dB per decade. Similarly, this 0 dB per octave is nothing but 0 dB per decade itself, and this minus 6 dB per octave is nothing but minus 20 dB per octave. That's it, per decade. I'm so sorry. Right, now if you see, it is going to be very very easy. What is the transfer function GH? GH, if you see, what is that? What happened earlier? Let us say this point is 0 point. We don't know what is that point, but if you see, initially itself you have got the slope of minus 6 dB. Initially itself you have got the slope of minus 6 dB. What does that mean? Or we can say slope of minus 20 dB decade. What does that mean? What does that mean? It means that initially there was a pole, definitely, which means there is a pole S at origin. Now, what happened at 2? What happened at 2? This would have to go like this way, but it went this way. It went this way, which means definitely there was shift. Definitely at 2, you have added plus 20 dB per decade in the slope, which means at 2 you have got a 0. So it becomes S plus 2. Similarly, what happened at 10? What happened at 10? This should have gone like this in the straight way, but this went this way, which means minus 20 dB per decade slope you got, which means what? You have added minus 20 dB per decade. It means you have got a pole at 10, which means you have got a pole at 10, S plus 10. And yes, definitely there has to be K. Why? Because you don't know this initial point, starting point. So this is your transfer function, DD done. Now after this, we will see a small thing called as relative stability using Bode plots. Okay, till then, thank you.